Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will give you a complete overview of Accenture Workday task, and I will also discuss about relationship manager meeting and some important points you should remember before submitting your documents. So watch this video till the end because it will clear most of your doubts. Once Accenture starts your onboarding process, you will receive an email with the subject new task to get you ready for your first day. Here, open this email and click on the Workday link provided in the mail. The link will redirect to the Accenture Workday login page. And on the Workday sign-in page, you will see three options. Here, select second option, recruiting candidate sign-in. Now, enter your registered email address and password. After entering the details, click on sign in. Once you sign in, you will redirect to the Workday homepage. On the top right corner near to your profile icon, you will find the My Task option. Please click on it, and this will take you to the All Items section where or your onboarding task will be available. So, before discussing the task, let's understand an important part of the onboarding process. Here, many candidates receive an email with the subject Introduction to your onboarding relationship manager. In this email, the Accenture introduce your relationship manager and commonly known as RM. And your RM is responsible for guiding you through the onboarding process. And they will explain how to complete the workday task and submit the action items. And they will also clarify your doubts regarding the documentation and onboarding related issues. And you may also receive a document briefing session invite from your RM, and I strongly recommend to attend this session because the document session process, everything will be explained, and some important instructions will be shared, and they will also answer the frequently asked questions. And the most important thing is attendance may be tracker. um, Here my RM asked about my original document mark sheets and whether I am a fresher or experienced candidate. And if you can't attend the session, please inform to your RM through email. Here, one important suggestion is please attend the RM session first, then complete your onboarding workday or action item task based on the instructions given by your RM. And please do not rush to complete all the workday or action items before attending the meeting because your RM is the person who will guide you through the entire process. So now let's discuss about the workday task. The workday tasks are divided into wave 1 and wave 2 task. And the wave 1 task, let's discuss about the first task, Accenture privacy statement. And this is the easiest task. Simply open the task and click on submit. Here you don't need to modify or you don't need to enter anything. And the next is which is uploading your batch photo. Here you need to upload a passport size photograph of you. Before uploading, please rename the file as instructed, the full layer name and your start date and official location. Here the start date which is nothing but your date of joining date and your the location that you got. And after uploading the photo, click on the submit. Once you submit, you will see another simple task. Visit your onboarding dashboard. In this task, you don't need to do anything. Simply open the task and click submit. And the fourth task is personal information. You generally don't need to modify anything here, even if you notice any minor or major mistakes related to your name or date of birth or any details. Many of them can be corrected later during onboarding or after joining. And if you still have any concerns, please contact your RM for clarification, and otherwise, simply submit the task. And the fifth task is emergency contact information. Here you need to add an emergency contact where you need to enter your contact name, relationship, and phone number. And this information may be used in emergency situations. And after adding the emergency contact details, we have one final task in wave 1, which is contact information. Here, review your contact details, and if everything looks correct, submit the task. and if you need any modification about your contact, modify and submit. Once all wave 1 tasks are completed successfully, wave 2 task will become visible, and if any wave 1 task remains pending, wave 2 task may not appear. So carefully submit the wave 1 task. Let's discuss about the wave 2 task. In wave 2 task, the first task is Form 26 or appointment letter. For some locations, it may be called Form 26, and for some locations, I mean, the name might be different. And this is basically your appointment letter. Before submitting, make sure you download a copy because where you need to carry on your first day. And the second task is self declaration. Here you need to download the form and click on submit. No need to do anything here. And the third task is women consent letter. This form is related to consent for working conditions during late nights, especially for women. And here you need to download the form and submit it. Please remember that the first three tasks in the wave 2 should be downloaded and saved because you may need to carry on your date of joining. And the fourth task is relieving letter, and this task is applicable only for experienced candidates, and if you are a fresher, generally no action is required and follow the instructions provided by your RM. And if you have worker before joining the Accenture, you may need to upload your relieving letter. In my case, my RM first asked me to submit my original documents and relieving letter through mail for verification. So my suggestion is to do not upload any relieving letter until your RM approves, and always follow your RM instructions before uploading any documents. So if you face any issues while completing the workday task or uploading documents in action items, please contact your RM. They will guide you through the entire process. So that's all about the workday task. I hope this video helped you to understand Accenture Workday onboarding process. So thanks for watching.